your honest talk. I don't come again for dropping another video today. But before we want to start talk, I still want to say, may God, I want to pray for God may accept the gentle souls of our brothers and sisters, the way they lost their life for Europe, for the road going to Europe through Libya. I pray say they go rest in your bosom, and I want to console this family. They say, we didn't take heart. God knows why. God knows the reason of everything. And that poor picking the way they live and back home, and for those who them get kids, we pray may God continue to strengthen them. Yes, then we want to talk about this pastor, Presbyterian church pastor, where we hear for social media say a woman throw away hot water for their house help his skin. Yes, but the thing that say we don't care for no way to happen. But this coming from a pastor's home, I don't think it's a good example. So investigation will still go on. Why would they stay tuned for a year what it really actually happened, and for no way to be there resolution where they go take them at the level of the legal department. But we get to condemn this action regardless what happened. This one not a good thing for write home about. This was not good, yeah. Now we will continue for the deportation where they still go on for UAE. A lot of deportation don't go on this time around, so would that be the lesson that the crown place where all the deportation really be striked? Yes, UAE be made up of 7 states, and amongst which we get Dubai and Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Al-Ain. So we talk about this deportation, and the main cause of the Africans being deported in this UAE now because of concentration of Africans in a particular place. Most Africans they be concentrated in a particular place, and the CC when they be concentrated in a particular place, their mind go perverse. A lot of illegality they start coming inside because of people they be desperate. Yeah, like for this country, illegal selling of alcohol a day, prostitution day, something the way they call and say massage. Yeah, this one up na this normal massage wey all me and you know am. They call am happy ending massage. They print card them actually. They pay boys them, especially Nigerian guys them. They go for street, they go share this card. Sometimes the beer police they follow them. You see how they run with CID. So person they run with all the energy. They follow them, they run. So they work and put this card there for people their motor. They put this card there for put their motor, they try for floor. This massage is not just ordinary massage where you go, the Joko massage as KD, give happy ending. So now, what you want to talk and say most Africans they don't come here. When they come here, they see this thing, they don't enter inside the thing for this massage things. And these people when they get this massage center, they go find building, they put this worker there for them. Yes, they put their worker there for this happy ending massage. So if they discover say police they discover say most of these buildings they get that massage workers every day. So they invade the building, they move them, they put them for prison. Then later on they deport them. But I want to tell you that the condition of prison for UAE. Maybe the one for Dubai. UAE get good prison, but the AC way they for inside. You know if you stand up, some of them they glad to they deport them, because they don't overhear and inside that place. So when we put our voices there together, advise Africans and say, if you come from here, you can find your work, especially people that they on tourist visa, visit visa, just find your work. Small minor job, so even a clean, do a why the hope say God will bless you. Because God they so you see all money hustle, you know. That's not what I want to talk. Then when we talk about the anti the online, or uncle the online where they show like say UAE jogging for go pack money come. Now then they get this pressure for picking the way they come out go do this happy ending massage, they go do prostitution, they do online dating the way when they meet on the people, they scam the people, they take their money. Yes, and they have exposed to the way they happen for here. Yes, not true. I'm not gonna lie, any person who knows how to lie, make them put comment for back here. We get a lot of things that might tell that they think the way Africans they do for here, it be illegal. Other countries they do, but me I concentrate for my community because I want to say me one voice them bigger, so that when you come to here, you know the good, the bad, and the ugly. So for here, illegal thing they do Africans they do illegal selling of alcohol. Yeah, they say alcohol illegally. If police see I'm a problem. But now we get a place the way you buy alcohol where you do on visa, use your passport buy them. Africans the way they be involved for illegal selling of alcohol, it be risky. Though na means of survival too, because I don't see any harm way in the cost and for some other person. The only thing I say when they gather together, they drink that mingle, they start fighting, they start doing other things then you get prostitution. Where Africans now they don't take number 1 for prostitution. Then we get this massage with happy ending. You understand that? Like a coded prostitution where they go do one na Chinese, Vietnamese, and Filipino. They mostly be the people there. They get this company there. Before blacks are not be there, now blacks they don't enter there. When they send out boys there for street, they get this boy, they especially Nigerian boys on bicycle. They ride their bicycle, they put their massage card, they put their motor them, they travel down. It be illegal because when police OCID see them, it follow them on motor. Some of them they run, some of them they run, they follow them. Some of them even the motor will jam their foot anyhow they go. They feel catch you or you run. Yeah, so you did. So now all this online dating where they make fake account them, then when the person come in, so now the same person will be scam. So they threaten it, they take money for you. Fake money, that money the way they call and say wash. Then they do these dollars them and they do all currency them. When they show on the inside room, they do and but how some of do assist that they show them for online. Most of them I never talk say anything you say and I lie. Most of them they get all that fake currency they for house and even real currency the way they use that for duplicate that thing them. So now most of the thing that way they do for it be illegal. You understand? Yeah, and then someone especially Nigerians and too, they bring prostitutes from Africa. They rent place, they bring prostitutes from Africa, then they put them for them, then they go out, they do this prostitution, then they pay the madam will bring them or the boss will bring them. So when police don't see all these things, then they can't storm that building. Whether you be innocent or you be guilty, the fact that you there for that environment, they go catch you. So we get to know what environment they want to stay for UAE. Some people they can't my inbox can't tell me that they expose whatever thing where they go on for here for Dubai for black community. Yes, not so as I suppose we do and so because some of una just go show off them. Una not get any backing. Show me for Cameroon, me all we talk for Cameroon. For here all man as for my talk and I always talk them. At the talk I always talk them. If you come for online, you can you day inside the world biggest cruise for inside Dubai and no concern because na 1 minute thing. Now 1 minute thing. So would you give out this information then? I beg people they don't visit visa, choose the right place. Even you where they work, choose the right place to stay because when they come they don't go ask whether you be involved or you not be involved. Sometimes they don't even explain as a see and UAE police be very good for the sense. They need to stop some place where they don't investigate. They did not find time the one can they just come one time. They don't fit investigate. So they not to know they like if you want to be innocent, so you not be involved, but you there at that place where that thing will happen. They need to stop some place for nothing. You understand or? Then wait again I want to talk about I want to know about UAE. The thing I want to say for my comment section or most of the people they watch me and the one that they watch and they drop comment about the one I want to say talk about for our society, for UAE, for Dubai or anything we want to say talk about our inside. Don't drop for my comment section. So I'm saying wise today for camp to talk to our youth and today say will not be moved by the thing that will be on social media because it takes a lot of weeks. We will do for here, so maybe I could just go visit my friend. I don't know if something will happen for that building. The police they come, they catch me. Some will choose the place that will be, choose your company, choose the things they will want to do. If you come for here for can work, make sure so you devote yourself for work, get a good job. I don't mean a good job, not only a well-paying job, a decent job. You know, must make an through the illegal way. I get people there they become here, they start by cleaning, and now they work for offices, then now they work sales, they do many other things. Then, yeah, me I be example. Now I come here, I've done a security before, but today wait I do. I'm not if I get the best job now, but I'm happy with what I'm doing now. I'm very happy with what I'm doing, and security is not a bad job now. Just for me. It be time consuming because I'm a woman and they work 12 hours and then my company that be unfortunate say they be giving a one off for 2 weeks. So imagine working 12 hours and one off in 2 weeks. It will be tedious for me. God bless all the securities there for this country because they be very hard working. Some of them they go 2 months, 1 month, they don't get off. But so they get lucky, they get that weekly off. May God bless them. May God bless all the African cleaner them. May God bless all my way you work genuinely for outside Cameroon. May God guide these people them. Say they don't be caught up for their time for go Cameroon where their time over reach. They don't cut their stay for year short. So I want to pray for all the hustlers there outside. I say me God bless always say me what hustle no go in vain. Yeah, so now the small thing that we can drop and today. We can talk about this a Presbyterian pastor where woman pour water for person his skin, and then we talk about this deportation of Africans back home. It really be painful, really. It be painful the sex say you go Africa, they say not with the sex, please. Say you go back for Africa where you not plan them. Some of them never safe enough. So if if maybe you don't save enough, if you fit just say okay, I'll go start up something. Some they never save enough, some they just barely carry, they don't borrow money back home, they come here and then it be caught up with them. So it's really a call for concern. It's really saddening, you understand? Yeah. And then again, yeah, I want to talk about Africans back home. Please, my brothers and sisters back home, traveling is not the determination of your success. To travel does not determine how successful you will be. I really like to see how we Cameroon and they back home they did progress. Sometimes when I see some Cameroon and they so I just say God, I wish it were me. The hardworking Cameroonians back home, where even if you give them money, say they travel, they no go gree, they go only travel now. Na for visit, no be say they come for town hustle. So I want to say, Cameroon and they dey back home, God the see all. We are not better than you guys. We are not better than you guys. Because if you think about the bills the way they pay am for here, and person will get a business for Cameroon, will get a small house in this day, it's to be better. I beg, make no man no pressurize you for social media. Una know say I always love una. Keep it real always. One love. God bless.